Today, I'm working on helping the client's web developers integrate the real-time 3D viewer into their website. Now, the great thing about a lot of the different web 3D tools that we use is that they can be embedded in a traditional website, just like, say, a YouTube video. There's just a very simple iframe that can be just dropped straight in. It sits on the web page, it loads automatically, it looks great, and it can be integrated with any number of different JavaScript overlays. It can be integrated with just about any sort of web design, and it works on desktop and mobile and pretty much every browser. There's a couple of different easy-to-use flags that let you do things such as have it start a turntable as soon as it loads, or allow full screen or not, show it with annotations, show it with animation. And I love this because it's just a nice little stepping stone to using real-time 3D throughout their website, which is where I think they're going to be going over the next several years. We are always happy to help consult and guide a client's in-house team to do something greater. We don't have to do it all ourselves. We're happy to help you make it happen. That's what I'm working on today. I hope that you are creating something beautiful with your day.